Welcome to this BackupAssist video, restoring files and folders with BackupAssist 365. I'm Craig with your Client Success Team. Let's get started. BackupAssist 365 currently supports restores from SharePoint and OneDrive backups. This means if anything goes wrong with your cloud accounts, you can restore from your local backup copy. To restore files and folders, open BackupAssist 365, select the Action console, and then locate your backup. You can locate by task, and that is what's selected by default and is used to select the backup task that created the backup you want to restore from. If you're restoring from a multi-user file backup, BackupAssist 365 restricts you to restoring to the local system. Or you can locate your backup by folder. It can be selected if the backup task no longer exists and you're not sure what task to use. Browse to locate and select the folder that you want to restore from. Again, if you're restoring from a multi-user file backup, BackupAssist 365 will restrict you to restoring to a local folder or a cloud folder. Now save and proceed to the next step. Here you'll choose the type of restore. Choose a backup created by the backup task you selected. This is the backup containing the files and folders you want to restore. Save and proceed to the next step. Now select the files and folders that you want to restore. Again, save and proceed to the next step. This is where you will choose where to restore, and you can select one of the following. The original location restores the selected files back to the original SharePoint or OneDrive account. Local folder restores the selected files to another location. This is useful if you want to move the files to a more accessible location. Or Cloud folder restores the selected files to a cloud location. This could be a SharePoint or OneDrive account. Now save and proceed to the next step. If you selected a cloud location, enter the credentials and authenticate access to the cloud account. Then tick Save and Proceed. Now you can click Start Restore. The restore will start and display its progress in the active backup screen. That's all there is to it, to restore files and folders from SharePoint and OneDrive using BackupAssist 365. We appreciate the opportunity to earn your business. If you should require any additional assistance, please contact us, Client Success, at sales@backupassist.com. You can also reach our tech support team at support@backupassist.com, or if you'd prefer to speak with us personally, the number is 812-206-1691. Thank you. We'll see you next time.